James Big Boy Pants on for this week's build. I thought I'd let you know that we have a Patreon page. Why not check it out? Or don't? But mostly, all you non-subscribers who watch. Subscribe. It's free and makes us happy when you sub. Okay, Monkey Boy is here. On with the show. Laters all you sexy classy cats.
Hello everyone, so this week I'm going to show you how you can make a cheap, affordable Orks Dakkajet with a few simple ingredients. And the ingredients are as follows: water pistol, cardboard, wall plugs and sticky gems. Everything I mentioned cost me under €5, which would be around $5.54, $7.53 Canadian, and around about $8.27 Australian dollars. And you're thinking, look at the big brain on Aaron. No, it's alright, I got Google to find that out for me. Now obviously you're thinking, hang on, cardboard, I'm not paying for cardboard, I've got it in my cupboard. Yes, that is true, but that cereal box cost you at some point, so that's how I factored that price in. Ah, you see, no flies on me. And I'm not counting paint simply because if you're watching this channel, I'm presuming you already have paints and glue. And I was happy making marks on the pistol just to work out where I was going to make cuts and stuff like that, and then realised, hang on now, why make this build more difficult than it should be? Work with what you have. So I did. Left it all on, well, apart from a little tiny bit at the back, but we'll get to that later. Okay, we're not putting the masking tape down as a cost, because you could use sellotape, and everybody's got sellotape rolling around in the cupboard. What this water pistol needed was a good sanding, and I gave it a good sanding. Almost half an hour to sand it down, just so I could get everything to stick, and then it was just to glue it back all together and put the screws back in. There's the cardboard. That's all the cardboard I had, and I'm making the excuse now because when you see me put the wings on, you're going to realise I used foam board instead of cardboard, and that was simply because I couldn't find any more cardboard, I'm ashamed to say. But I assure you this build will come under the price that I quoted at the... God, might I sound like a car dealership now. So pretending the foam board is cardboard, cut it out, cut your wings out, and then we can stick it onto the water pistol. Oh, I forgot to mention the glue and the... Anyway, I'm presuming you've got paints and hot glue, and I'm using the hot glue to put strips on the edges of the foam board that you won't have because you'll have cardboard instead. And I'm using the cardboard that I have because I only have enough for the panels. Oh, maybe I should just stop and start again. No, because I've already used some of the cardboard, so I'll have to carry on. Okay, anyway, so what I'm doing now is to make like little rivets in the cardboard to make it look like metal. I'm just punching one side of it just so it will raise it up on the other side. You'll see it in the shots at the end. So yeah, so I've done all the wings, so now it's onto the body, and again with the cardboard it's easy to manipulate and bend around so it can form straight onto your water pistol, which is now virtually a plane. Oh, I've done it again. Okay, so once that's all done, I covered it with a coat of Mod Podge. You probably didn't have Mod Podge, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, you don't need to. I just did because it made it more solid and wouldn't bend, or the cardboard wouldn't come off. Anyway, let's move on. I've made some teeth. Oh, now, this hot glue strands. Easy way to get rid of this. Use one of these. So the next day, after I'd recovered from the explosion, I just finished off touching up the water pistol, which is now the plane, just with adding some little bits and pieces. There's the wall plugs. You can buy these in a big pack. I like making holes in walls and putting wall plugs in for no apparent reason. There's the beads that will now go on to the teeth. I presume the teeth, spikes. They'll look more like teeth to me than spikes. Just covered it all with the little sticky gems, stuck the wall plugs on, and then it was on to the priming, which is just black prime, black prime, and then just a coat of red. Here it is, just all dried. As you can see, it was I hit it heavy in some places and lighter in other, just to bring the black through, so it looked like it was worn and torn. Remember, this is my first foray into this Orks thingy, so this is the rough and ready version. No doubt down the line I will revisit and make a better version. And then I just used a dry brush of white just to give the highlights and the panels a little bit of highlights. That's it. Thanks for watching. That was fast. Crikey. I've only just realised I put on an orc in the video as well. That's another expense. Oh, this video didn't go well. Not well at all. Very fast as well. Very strange. Anyway, never mind. May the 4th be with you. Oh, that's next week. My biggest build yet. Stay tuned. Keep scratching that build, everybody.